Let's first recall how regular
Call of Duty Infinite Warfare. Call of Duty Infinite Warfare. Genres: video game, zombie film, interactive fiction, survival horror, massive multiplayer, online role-playing game. Rise of the Tomb Raider, Blood Times. Dying Light 2. Project Zomboid. DayZ. Genres: video game, survival horror, tactical shooter. Dead Rising 4. Genres: video game, action adventure. Dead Island, Riptide. Dead Island, Riptide. Days Gone. Days Gone. 7 Days to Die. State of Decay. Genres: video game, action adventure, survival horror, stealth more. State of Decay 143 of 177 best video games of the 2010s. Ranked 14 of 56. The best survival games of all time. 32 of 41. The best shooting games on Xbox Games Pass. Red Dead Redemption. Undead Nightmare. Genres: video game, action adventure game. Dead Island. Dead Island. Dying Light. Dying Light. The Walking Dead, the final season. World War Z. World War Z. The Walking Dead. The Walking Dead. Resident Evil 2 Remake.
Let's first recall how regular one-track recording is accomplished.
Dying Light. The following. Dying Light. The following. Left 4 Dead 2. Left 4 Dead 2. The Last of Us. Genres: video game, action adventure game, survival horror. More The Last of Us, ranking all the best and worst characters. On The Last of Us games seem crazy. The Last of Us fan theories have changed. In 24 of 178 best video game franchises of all time.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.